What if I told you you can be making massive income for yourself every day just by doing simple tasks on Telegram? Yes, you can be earning stars on Telegram just by doing simple tasks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can now use Telegram to perform simple tasks and earn stars which you can withdraw as a cash to your own account. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to put you through everything step by step. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you, and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can be earning massive income for yourself every blessed day with this new Telegram bot. You earn stars and you withdraw it as a cash. Let's get started. Now, let's get started. And to get started, head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. I'm going to leave down the link to my Telegram channel. When you click on the link, you join my Telegram channel, you are going to find the link to this Telegram bot in my Telegram channel. I'll be leaving down the link together with the link of this video. So go and click on it. And when you click on it, it will take you to interface where you get started. And when you click on that get started, it will bring you to an interface like this. And the first thing you have to do is just to click on start mining. And when you click on start mining like this, as you can see, it has started mining. As you can see, it has started mining, and I've started earning some commission for myself. As you can see, it's mining right now. As you can see, it's mining right now. So this is how it is. As you can see it, this is how it is. Now you can also do some tasks. When you click on task here, you are going to see other airdrop tasks which you can be doing, and you'll be making some money for yourself. Now, as you can see, the first one here, when you drop join, when you click on join, as you can see, you can just click on start, and when you click on start, you also start mining on OneWin here like this. As you can see, when you click on it, these are also tasks which you can do, and you also earn some commission. Now, as you can see, I've joined. Now I just click on check. Now when I click on check, I'll earn some commission. As you can see, task complete. I've earned some commission. As you can see, join start mining of me. You can do all these tasks. You can just be joining, and the more you join, the more stars you'll be making. Let me join another one again. Click on it. When you click on it, as you can see, you can click on start and click on start. Then you go back to the app. You click on go back. Let's close this. Now we go back. Now, as you can see, you click on check. Now we have earned another 150 stars again. So when you click on our wallet here, you are going to see how much we have accumulated so far. As you can see, this is how much we have accumulated so far. That is 0.90 cents. And this money, if you want to withdraw it, all you just have to do is just to click on connect wallet. Now you can connect your wallet to Tonkeeper. As you can see, these are to BigByte. As you can see, these are all where you can connect your wallet to, and you can withdraw your money. So if you have Tonkeeper, you can just click on continue with Tonkeeper, or you can continue with your Telegram wallet. You can continue with your Telegram wallet, and you can withdraw your money to the account. All you just have to do, if you want to continue with your Telegram wallet, you click on it, or if you want to continue with Tonkeeper, you can click on Tonkeeper here, and it's going to take you to where you're going to connect your Tonkeeper. As you can see, install Tonkeeper. I don't have Tonkeeper on my wallet right now, but you can install your Tonkeeper and you start connecting your account. Now, if you want to also try using your Telegram wallet, all you just have to do is just to click on open wallet, and when you click on open wallet, it's going to take you to your wallet here. As you can see, if you have Telegram wallet, as you can see, you just have to click on connect wallet. You can create another wallet, or you can click on add to existing wallet. As you can see, then you paste, enter your phrase, you enter everything. After you do that, it's going to be connected. So this is how you are going to do it, and also connect your Telegram wallet and be making money. And if you want to withdraw your money, now when you click on friends here, this is where you can also invite friends, and when you invite friends, you gain 2,500 stars for each friends you invited. You get 2,500 stars. Now, as you can see, when you click on code here, you are also going to see your code earning. As you can see, daily. As you can see, you are going to see a lot of things. So this Telegram bot will help you make a lot of money for yourself. You can also decide to upgrade, which I don't advise you to do so, but you can be doing this simple task and be making money for yourself. As you can see, it's still mining by itself. You can be mining and you'll be making money from it. As you can see, click on start mining, it will mine. You click on start mining, it will mine, and you'll be making reward for yourself. So on my next video, I'm going to explain much better about this app. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on my next video.